Hello friends, welcome back. Today we gonna do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2021 Kia Sportage. So as always, remove any component in a glove box such as paper or anything. And first you have to remove the dampener, then the two-side locking mechanism right there. So there is another one. As always, you can find something that is supporting halfway. In this case, I found a bottle of water, and it helps. So once you solve that problem, then you can see that on the left side you pinch those two tabs together, then it will pull right out the cabin air filter cover. It's kind of tricky to pull it out, so make sure you pull it out all the way and slide it to the left. Then you will see a cabin air filter right there. Make sure you notice your airflow, so the airflow is pointing down. So on most car they usually pointing down, or otherwise they're gonna say pointing up, especially that Toyota one. By the way, if you are a member of this community, I also have a course that shows you how to maintain your car or a truck. It's really simple. It is a step-by-step system, and if you have any question regarding about your car repair, I also answer your question too. So the link is down in the description. And this vehicle has some mice nest right there. And once you have your new cabin air filter, just making sure when you install the cabin air filter, it is the arrow should be pointing down. And let's compare the old one to a new one. And the old one is on the left, and the right one is the new one. You can see that there's a nice and day difference. Alright, so once you have your new cabin air filter, making sure airflow pointing down, the arrow is pointing down. Same thing with the before we remove the old filter. And all you have to do is just slide your new cabin air filter in. Then you're gonna install the cabin air filter cover. Make sure you push in until you hear click. That means it is secure. Now you're gonna install the two tab, one on each side. So make sure you're turning the right grooves, otherwise you're gonna be having a hard time to install this. And same thing with this one too. Make sure it's on the same groove, then turn it clockwise and it locked. Then the dampener last. Then you're done. Okay guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you next time. Alright, Luke is out, and you can watch this video next.